The bee is mentioned in Quran chapter 16. In fact, chapter 16 of the Quran is named An-Nahl the bee, and bees basically have 32 chromosomes, 16 pairs, for females and 16 chromosomes for males. A honeybee's chromosome number depends on its sex. Males have 16 chromosomes, while females have 32 chromosomes. This difference is due to a unique system of sex determination called haplodiploidy, which is found in all Hymenoptera insects, including bees, wasps, and ants. Verses 68 and 69 specifically talk about the bee and its role, describing how Allah inspired the bee to build its hives in mountains, trees, and structures, and to eat from various fruits to produce honey, which is described as having healing properties. In verse 69 there is a line, "There emerges from their bellies, her two bellies butuniha drink honey, varying in colors, in which there is healing for people." An-Nahl 16 verse 69, the word butuniha is an Arabic word. Here's a breakdown. Butun is the plural of bat, which means belly or abdomen. Ha as a feminine singular possessive pronoun, meaning her or it's referring to a feminine noun. So, butuniha means their bellies or her bellies, if referring to multiple bellies belonging to a single feminine entity. The use of butuniha in this verse has led to various interpretations and discussions, particularly in the context of scientific compatibility with the Quran, referring to multiple stomachs of a single female bee. Some interpretations highlight that butuniha plural bellies, singular female pronoun could subtly indicate that a single female bee has multiple internal compartments or stomachs, as we discussed. Bees do indeed have two main internal compartments that function like stomachs: the honey stomach crop for nectar storage, and a midget for digestion. This is seen by some as a scientific marvel mentioned in the Quran long before modern biology, referring to the bellies of the bees plural, feminine grammatical gender. Other interpretations argue that An-Nahl the bees is a collective noun, and while the pronoun ha is grammatically singular feminine, it can refer back to the collective plural bees. In this view, butuniha means from the bees' bellies, acknowledging that honey comes from the collective effort of many bees, each with its own internal system. The use of feminine grammatical forms for the verbs preceding butuniha like kuli, eat, and luki, follow also points to the female worker bees, which are indeed the honey producers. Both interpretations highlight the Quran's precision in language and its alignment with scientific facts discovered much later, particularly regarding the female bee's role in honey production and its unique digestive system. Fact: the female bees foraging for nectar and pollen, then converting nectar into honey through a process of regurgitation and fanning to reduce water content. Female worker bees, like all honeybees, have two main stomachs that are distinct in their function. The male bee's primary purpose is to mate with the queen. They do not collect nectar or pollen, do not produce honey, and do not have stingers. They are often larger than worker bees.